Hey, good morning, campers. This is Nat, the otter here, and the blue bear is here as well.
Hi.
And you notice we haven't posted very much this year. That's because Barbie hurt her knee. Really bad. It's a very bad, knee injury. And she is today going in to have knee replacement surgery to fix that. So I'll turn it over.
Hello.
Going in.
I'm going in now
All right.
at 9 o'clock. And then once I got so much support from so many people this morning on my phone. It's been making me pretty teary-eyed.
Nice.
I have Felicity singing me lullabies, and Janice, thank you for sending me the most beautiful letter. My children. Janice really wants me to focus on that I'm going to be able to walk up the mountains and down in the valleys and look at the rivers and be in the forest like I meant to be. So I haven't been able to do that this year, and it's been really hard. So hiking is really good for mental health, and I'm going to go get my hike back.
No need to cry when the stars are aligning the morning calls. I hear gentle steps as they walk from the wreck into the dawn. Would you share my name? Would you share my pain on the stage that is not my design? Love is one step ahead of a life that is led into a song. Won't you dance in my heart like a rain that gives life to the ground and resonate
What is the bell?
in these walls until we collide.